Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel All Tech Queries. Today we will learn how to hide the taskbar on Windows, and we will also address a common error most people are facing, that their taskbar won't hide in full screen. So some users are having this problem that the taskbar is not hiding automatically when they are using full screen videos. So we will also cover that in this video. But first let's see how to hide the taskbar. So the taskbar is one of the most important features in Windows, but you may want to hide this for certain reason. So let me help you for that. Click on the start menu, go to Windows settings. Here click on the personalization option. Now on the left side menu bar you can see the taskbar option in the last. Click on it, and here the second option, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So this is off, you have to turn it on simply by clicking on it. Now as soon as you click on it, the taskbar is hidden. Now I also suggest you users to enable this option as well, hide the taskbar in tablet mode. So now you don't have to worry because the taskbar is not hidden completely. As you can see, when you move your mouse cursor to the edge of the screen, the taskbar will appear itself. So you get more space to work and there is no interference. Now let's talk about the issue we were addressing before. The taskbar won't hide in full screen. Now there might be several reasons for this to happen. So whatever the reason may be, I suggest you follow this method. Once you enable this automatically hide the taskbar option, then disable it again. Now once restart your PC, the issue might be resolved most probably. The another thing might be causing this issue is you may have some notifications here. Maybe some application has a notification on, so that might be preventing the taskbar from hiding. So by restarting the PC also, the problem will be solved. So that's all for today. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more how-to tutorials. Thank you. Have a nice day.